guys, so today we're checking out the Barricade 4-inch oval straight side step bars in a light texture black finish, fitting all 2021 and newer 4-door Broncos. Now this set will be great for the Bronco owner looking for a step to help them get in and out of their truck, especially if they have a lift kit or a leveling kit installed and just need that extra boost up. Now this set will also be a great addition if you're looking for some protection to the side body of your Bronco and you want a stylish set to do so. This will feature an oval design with straight ends and a large 4-inch stepping pad in front of the front and rear doors for a good amount of space to plant your foot when getting in and out. The steps will also come out from the side body of the truck, offering you some outward protection to door dings in the parking lots or any light obstacles off-road. These will be made of a heavy-duty steel construction with a light yet durable texture black powder coat finish on top, offering a pretty premium look out of the step. Now the stepping pads will also be very rugged and have a non-slip surface to provide some additional traction and of course some additional style. Now this kit will also come with all of the brackets and the hardware to make this a very straightforward install on your Bronco. These will come in at roughly $300, putting this at a pretty average price point for a set of steps. Now what I will say is that compared to other steps like it, these will offer a very premium appearance and provide great protection for the light off-roader. Now other options in the category may be a bit more simplistic than this choice, with a smaller step, a curved design, or even a polished or gloss black finish compared to this fine texture black powder coat. Then on the other hand, you'll also see some pricier options with drop steps or that are intended for heavy-duty off-road use. Now if you don't necessarily need all those extra bells and whistles, but you want a little bit more than the average side step, then these are going to be a great pick. Install again will be very straightforward, coming in at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 2 hours to get the job done with some basic hand tools. Now at this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of the install and what that looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools used for this installation: 3/8 ratchet, 13 and 15 millimeter sockets. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install our side steps here on our 21 Bronco, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do to install our side step bars here on our Bronco, we're going to use these brackets that are supplied in the kit. Now you're going to notice that this bracket here is shaped a little bit different than this one. This is going to be your front bracket, which is going to go up in here, and then you're going to have two, one there and one in the back, that go back there. Now these holes are already pre-drilled in the body and they're already threaded, so we're just going to have to take these brackets, stick them on, use the bolts that are supplied in our kit, put these in, tighten them up, then we can install our side step bars. So now we're at the back of the vehicle here, right in front of the back wheel, and you have two holes right here that are pre-drilled and threaded, one here, one here. We're going to take our bracket and take my 15 millimeter bolt with my lock washer and nut, and we're going to install these in the holes here. We'll get that one started. Same deal here. We have a lock washer and a flat washer. We're going to install this. Get it started. I'm going to run this all the way in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten each one up now. I'm going to take my 15 millimeter on my ratchet. Tighten this one up. Same with this one here. Now we'll go on to our middle bracket. So now we're going to install our middle bracket. Do the same with our 15 millimeter bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. And take this, stick it up in here, get this started. And we'll do the other 15 millimeter lock washer and flat washer up into the top hole. And we'll get this one started. Now I'm going to take my 15 millimeter socket on my 3/8 drive ratchet, tighten the bottom one up, and we'll tighten the top one up. So now we're going to install our front bracket. This one you can see is shaped different than the other two. This is going to go right up into this spot right up in here. Again, we're going to take our 15 millimeter with our lock washer and flat washer. We're going to get these started. And we'll take our other 15 millimeter, our lock washer and flat washer, and get this one started. Now once I get them snug here, with this, I'm gonna take my 15 millimeter on my ratchet, tighten this one up, and tighten the front one up. So now we're ready to install our side step onto our brackets here. Now, when we go to put this on, you're going to want to make sure you try to line the holes up. There's 2 here, 2 there, and 2 back here. I'm going to get these in, set them in place. If you need to loosen your brackets up to move it around to get them to line up, that's fine. I'm going to take it now, figure out where I'm feeling for the threads, which they're right there. And ours is actually lined up pretty nicely. Now we'll get underneath and install our 13 millimeter bolts and tighten everything up. So now I'm going to take my 13 millimeter with a lock washer and a flat washer. And now we have our holes lined up here. I'm going to start this one here. I'll run it in by hand as far as I can get it. And do the same for this one. And then I'm going to take my 13 millimeter or my 3/8 ratchet, tighten it up. Same on this one. Now we'll move to our middle bracket. Again, now we're at our middle bracket. I'm gonna take my 13 millimeter with my lock washer and flat washer. I'm gonna start this bolt here in the back. And another one right here. And get these snug. I'm gonna take my 13 millimeter ratchet, or my 13 millimeter socket, and my 3/8 ratchet. I'm gonna tighten these up. Same as this one. And now we're on to our front bracket here. Again, 13 millimeter with a lock washer and flat washer. I'm gonna get the back one started first. And we'll run it in. And then the front one here. Snug it up. Take my 13 millimeter socket and my 3/8 ratchet. And we'll tighten these bolts up. Same as in the front one here, we'll tighten this one up. Now you're going to want to just repeat this whole installation procedure on the opposite side. That wraps up this review and install of our Barricade 4-inch oval straight side step bars, light textured black for 21 and up Bronco 4-doors. Thanks for watching, and for all things Bronco, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.